Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and welcome to Free Tutorial Friday. So I'm going to be using the Unbounded Love stamp set, and we're going to make a birthday card. I am making this card here, but with other papers. So this was a card that was made at our team meeting, and Angie showed us as a mystery stamp. Hers was a little bit different, but again, it's mystery, so we do it however we figure out, right? So this is how mine looked. So let me just show you. If you have a couple strips, like 3 strips of designer series paper, they have to be at least 2.5 inches long. And let me show you what we can do. So I have this piece here. It is cut at 4 1/4 and it's scored in 5 1/2, and we're going to make a card that opens this way. This is your basic white. I also have a piece of Cajun Craze, and that one is scored at 4 by 5 1/4. So that one's going to fit on here and have a little white matte look. So let's go ahead and get into this. We're going to take our pieces of paper, and what we're going to do is we're going to lay these out. These 2 pieces are 1 1/4 by 1 1/4. I think I'm going to do it this way. I always try and make it the best that I can here, like the best layout. So we've got them on opposite corners, and then the other pieces, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and you'll see some of them match. So when they match, we just flip them over. And we're gonna put them there. And I chose the Cajun Craze because it's got some of that color in there. And we'll put this one here. We've got these planes. And we'll go ahead and put the plane here. And then we'll put the plane here. As you can see, I'm laying it all out first. Then I'm gonna go in, and I'm going in with some glue. I'm not gonna go in with the, well, I might, hold on. Oh, there we go. We're gonna go in, and we're gonna just leave a little border here. Not a huge border. And we're just gonna glue these guys in here. Oh gosh, I might be using, I'm not gonna make you guys wait for my glue to decide to work. We'll see if that helps. And I'm gonna do the same down here, leaving that same border and making sure it lines up as best as possible, straight up, just like that. And then I'm gonna do this other side. That helped. It's always user error, right? It's not the paper's fault, it's mine. So I got that one there. And I wanted to put this one here. Again, line that up. Best that we can there. And that's why I like to use the glue, because it gives you a little bit of wiggle room there. You can use this side or that side, whatever you prefer, but we're going with planes. So I am making this. And we should have a nice little side between here as well, so it all lines up. And then I'm going to do this one last. Of course. This is quick. This is easy. Oh my goodness. We're almost done already. Can you believe that? I'm going to flip this over. And there you go. Now, oh, let me, while I have the glue out, my glue wants to be done. He's done for the day. He's been busy. And we're going to stick this on our card. What do we want the top to be? I look at the plane and see where that goes. And then we're going to stick that down. And we are going to get out again from our Unbounded Love. We're going to get that out, and we're going to get out some Cajun Craze. And we will go ahead and ink that up really well. We'll use some Happy Birthday. Like that. And then we're going to take some dimensionals. I have some dimensionals. I have tons of dimensionals. If you subscribe to Paper Pumpkin at all, you probably also have a lifetime supply of dimensionals. They give you so many. So that you can use 5 if you want. And where's my Take Your Pick tool? I'm going to put this on here. And I'm not going to put a ribbon or a bow on this one because it is for a gentleman. And so what I will do though is I'm looking for my embellishments. I had them in my hand, yes, I know, but I just wanted to see if there are any good ones in here that might look good. I feel like this is a good kind of manly one, or you can go with these blue dots as well. I think I'm going to go with this. And we're going to go with the silver. I'm going to look real quick. I was going to go with silver, and now I'm looking at this color to see if that would be a good color to go with. I think it would. And then we'll use a little one. And there we go. So there is the masculine. You guys, I will have all these instructions for you to print out. Those will be on my blog, beautyandthestamper.com. And I hope you guys have a great weekend. All right, I will talk to you later. Bye.